Well, I've been involved in innovation in insurance for, my entire career of 35 years in insurance, and spent 25 of those years at AIG in various roles, including being president of AIG product development. And throughout those years, we did some, pretty cool things, inventing Y2K insurance, inventing cyber insurance, and then I continued doing that sort of innovation at Zurich, where I was Chief Innovation Officer of Zurich North America, and we invented things like corporate reputation insurance. But I began to realize that as much fun it was and how cool it was to do this type of innovation in the traditional insurance space, it was really incremental innovation. It was not really disruptive. And so in 2012, I formed my own company called Innovation Insurance Group, really seeking out ways to be disruptive in the insurance industry. And I made Lemonade. And actually, Lemonade, the founders of Lemonade, Daniel Schreiber and Shai Whittinger, ended up calling me. It was a cold call. And all they said was that they wanted to create a company. They wanted it to be called Lemonade. They wanted it to have something to do with insurance, and they wanted to give back to the community. So with brainstorming with them, we eventually created the Lemonade model, which is highly disruptive to the traditional insurance industry. Where Lemonade takes 20% off the top, regardless of claim. So we do not profit by denying a claim. We also instituted mechanisms that would change the behavior of our insureds, as well as change our own behavior. And then the second foundation, of course, is artificial intelligence. So we use newly created state-of-the-art technology, mobile-based, to create a millennial-friendly chat environment in which you can apply for insurance on your mobile device. It only takes about 3 minutes. As importantly, even more importantly, you submit your claim through your mobile device. It's the only way to do it. There's no claim forms. There's no fax machine. There's no address to send a fax to. You can only submit a claim on your phone, and you do it through a chat bot. Then we use artificial intelligence to instantaneously analyze and pay out about 24% of all of our claims, as well as, of course, use artificial intelligence in the underwriting system and give a instantaneous quote for homeowners insurance, condo insurance, and renters insurance, the three businesses that Lemonade is in. So there's a couple of issues here. One is I think the model can work for life insurance. The model has also been called peer-to-peer, and Lemonade has been called the first peer-to-peer insurance company. At least that's true in the United States. So I think the peer-to-peer nature of a business model, rather, can work for life insurance. The other thing is that the P&C industry can learn a lot from the life insurance industry. The P&C industry has always believed that it is underwriting the thing, the car, the home, the bicycle, the thing. Life insurance, of course, underwrites the person. But what P&C has only a little bit understood is that it is too really underwriting the person, the individual that owns the home, the one who owns the car or owns the bicycle. Now, at the moment, the homeowners insurance industry only asks for one thing about the person, which is the credit score. How often do you pay your department store bill? How often do you pay your utility bill? But that only scratches the surface. We in the P&C industry must take a lesson from the life insurance industry and underwrite more the person rather than the thing. Well, Lemonade is right now licensed in 25 states, representing about 67% of the market. We are operating in 8 or 9 states, including New York, Illinois, Texas, California, among others. We have an application into Florida. We are working very, very hard in getting that application approved. The Commissioner of Insurance for Florida has voiced his support for Lemonade. So therefore, we are, and the legislature of Florida has voiced its support for Lemonade and Lemonade-like companies by actually reducing the amount of surplus that needs one to have in order to go in Florida. So all the signals are very, very favorable, very positive, and I would expect that we'll have our license in Lemonade in the very, very, very short future indeed. In Florida, rather, in the very short future indeed.